वीडियो देखने से पहले हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
Hello YC kids, welcome to Yellow Class. This is your mentor Shruti Singhal and I'll be teaching you coding. So coding is something which is in trend right now. So we will be doing coding in Scratch. Scratch is a block-based coding where you have all the coding blocks in front of you. We will be making many animations, games and stories. So, we will be learning coding through fun-based activity. Come and join us for the coding session at Yellow Class with your mentor Shruti Singhal. Hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.